Hey everyone, what is up? Chris Nelson here. This week I'm bringing you a interview that I did with a good friend of mine and independent insurance agent, Mr. Chris Hussey. And the reason that we did this video this week is that many of you may know, as a matter of fact, many of you watching this may have been impacted or know someone who was impacted by the recent storms that we had here in the Philadelphia and surrounding areas, where people's properties literally were flooding, not only their houses, but their cars. So in this video, we kind of dig into what is covered and what is not. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me or Chris Hussey. And to check out the full video, bounce on over to our website or to our YouTube page and check it out. With that being said, take care.
Flood is always separate. It's a separate policy that most people don't have unless you're in a flood zone.